Hello, this is Otsuka from Samurai Administrative Scrivener Corporation. Today, I will explain the short-term stay visa. The short-term stay visa is used for inviting relatives or friends to Japan, as well as for business purposes, commonly referred to as commercial use. There are such patterns. The documents to be prepared differ for each case, but there are common elements that apply to both patterns, so I will explain those. Yes. First, the short-term stay visa application is submitted to the Japanese embassy or consulate in the applicant's home country. It is not submitted to the Immigration Bureau in Japan. In some countries, applications are made through local visa application agencies rather than the Japanese embassy or consulate. The newborn does not apply directly to the Japanese embassy or consulate. There are cases where it is required to apply during the daili chijian, so it is necessary to check in advance where to apply based on your nationality. And the duration of stay for a short-term stay visa is available in three types: 15 days, 30 days, and 90 days. However, it is not guaranteed that the requested duration will be approved as is, even if you apply for 90 days. It may be granted for 15 or 30 days. However, if you do not apply for the desired stay period of 90 days, it will obviously not be granted. Now, regarding entering Japan with a 90-day stay period, I want to stay in Japan longer than 90 days. In other words, some people may wish to extend their stay. While it is possible to extend a short-term stay visa, a substantial reason is required for the extension of the stay period. In other words, it is necessary to explain why one does not return after 90 days and why there is a need to stay in Japan longer. If you are going to proceed with the renewal process, you will need to apply at the Immigration Bureau in Japan rather than at the Japanese embassy or consulate in your home country. Next, let's discuss the points to note regarding the short-term stay visa. One important point is that individuals who frequently visit Japan on a short-term stay visa may face denial of entry. If the application is denied, you will not be able to reapply for the same reason for 6 months. Of course, you can apply for a different reason, but if your application is denied once, you will not be able to apply again for the same reason as the first application. Once the short-term stay visa is granted, it is necessary to enter Japan within 3 months. If you do not enter the country within 3 months, you will need to apply for a short-term stay visa again. Please be aware of this. Next, short-term stay visas do not allow for activities that generate income. In other words, while entry for business purposes is permitted, engaging in activities that produce revenue is not allowed. Participation in inspections, training sessions, and market research conducted by companies can be considered business purposes. If it involves meetings, individuals can be invited for business purposes. Next, regarding the application points, the documents prepared by the inviting party, that is, the Japanese side, are crucial. In particular, the invitation letter is important and serves as a key document when applying for a short-term stay visa. Additionally, when inviting relatives or friends to Japan, the applicant is a foreigner, in other words, a non-Japanese person. It is necessary to prove the relationship. This can be done by providing documents or attaching photos to demonstrate the connection. What are the details regarding the application for a short-term stay visa, such as the necessary documents? You can find the website of the Japanese embassy or consulate in your country of nationality, where you can check for the latest information. In China, you can visit the website of the Japanese Embassy in China. Yes, in the Philippines, it would be the Japanese Embassy in the Philippines. Required documents depend on the applicant's country of nationality, so not everyone will have the same requirements. As I have explained regarding the short-term stay visa, the required documents and application destinations may vary by country. Please take note of this. Yes, the required documents and application destinations can vary by country, and if a visa application is denied, you cannot reapply for the same reason for 6 months. When applying, it is recommended to gather information in advance and to apply after thorough preparation. If you are considering applying for a short-term stay visa and feel uncertain or want to avoid making mistakes in your application, please do not hesitate to contact us at Samurai Administrative Scrivener Corporation. Thank you. This concludes the explanation of the short-term stay visa. Thank you for watching.